Hi everyone, my name is James Millar and welcome to my course, Microsoft Azure for Node.js Developers, Cloud Patterns and Architecture. I'm a freelance software developer from Bristol, and I help companies build cloud systems that operate at a global scale. In this course, we're going to look at techniques and patterns for designing and building highly scalable, highly resilient cloud applications using Microsoft Azure. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover include adding redundancy and failover to our systems, patterns for resilience including retries and CQRS, data partitioning and caching, and using content delivery networks and API management to improve scalability. By the end of this course, you'll have covered multiple patterns and resources that are going to help you build highly resilient and scalable cloud applications in Azure. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Node.js and the general concepts behind cloud computing. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to build scalable and resilient cloud applications with the Microsoft Azure for Node.js Cloud Patterns and Architecture course at Pluralsight.